Today we are inside the cryptography basics room. We are at task number 5, types of encryption. The two main categories of encryption are symmetric and asymmetric. Symmetric encryption is also known as symmetric cryptography. Uses the same key to encrypt and decrypt the data as shown in the figure below. So we have the shared key. So we, for example, we want to go to send a clear text message via Messenger or WhatsApp, let's say. That plain text is encrypted. This encryption uses an algorithm, and that algorithm, in order to decrypt this plain text, needs a key. So we send the message in plain text, as we said, then we encrypt it, and then we have the ciphertext. And we send the message to Bob, which receives the ciphertext, but he also needs our key in order to decrypt our plain text. This is symmetric encryption. Keeping the key secret is a must. It is also called private key cryptography. Furthermore, communicating the key to the intended parties can be challenging as it requires a secure communication channel. Maintaining the secrecy of the key can be a significant challenge, especially if there are many recipients. The problem becomes more severe in the presence of a powerful adversary. Consider the threat of industrial espionage, for instance. Consider the simple case where you create a password-protected document to share it with your colleagues. You can easily email the encrypted document to your colleague, but most likely you cannot email them the password. The reason is that anyone with access to their mailbox would access both the password-protected document and its password. Therefore, you need to think of a different way. There is a channel to share the password. Unless you think of a secure, accessible channel, one solution would be to meet in person and communicate the password to them. Examples of symmetric encryption are DES, Data Encryption Standard, 3DS, Triple DES, and AES, Advanced Encryption Standard. DES was adopted as the standard in 1977 and uses a 56-bit key. With the advancement in computing power in 1999, a DES was successfully broken in less than 24 hours, motivating the shift to 3DS. 3DS is DES applied 3 times. Consequently, the key size is 168 bits, though the effective security is 112 bits. 3DS was more of an ad hoc solution when DES was no longer considered secure. 3DS was deprecated in 2019 and should be replaced with AES. However, it may still be found in some legacy systems. AES was adopted as a standard in 2021. Its key size can be 128, 192, and 256 bits. There are many more symmetric encryption ciphers used in various applications. However, they have not been adopted as standards. Asymmetric encryption. Unlike symmetric encryption, which uses the same key to encrypt and decrypt, asymmetric encryption uses a pair of keys, one to encrypt and the other to decrypt. As shown in the illustration below, to protect confidentiality, asymmetric encryption or asymmetric cryptography encrypts the data using the public key. Hence, it is also called public key cryptography. Again, we want to say in a plain text word or a message. We encrypted using Bob public key. Then we have the ciphertext, which is received by Bob, and Bob uses his private key to decrypt the plain text. Examples are RSA, Diffie-Hellman, and elliptic curve cryptography, ECC. The two keys involved in this process are reflected to as a public key and a private key. Data encrypted with the public key can be decrypted with the private key. Your private key needs to be kept private, hence the name. Asymmetric encryption tends to be slower, and many asymmetric encryption ciphers use larger keys than symmetric encryptions. For example, RCA uses 2048 bits, or 3072 bits, and even 4096 bits. Much bigger than the symmetric ones, right? 2048 bits is the recommended minimum key size. Diffie-Hellman also has a recommended minimum key size of 2048 bits, but uses 3072 bits and 4096 bits keys for enhanced security. On the other hand, ECC can achieve equivalent security with shorter keys. For example, with a 256-bit key, ECC provides a level of security comparable to a 3072-bit RSA key. Asymmetric encryption is based on a particular group of mathematical problems that are easy to compute in one direction but extremely difficult to reverse. In the context, extremely difficult means practically infeasible. For example, we can rely on a mathematical problem that would take a very long time, for example, millions of years to solve using today's technology. We will visit various asymmetric encryption ciphers in the next room. For now, the important thing to note is that asymmetric encryption provides you with a public key that you share with everyone and a private key that you keep guarded and secret. Summary of new terms. Alice and Bob are fictional characters commonly used in cryptography examples to represent two parties trying to communicate securely. Symmetric encryption is a method in which the same key is used for both encryption and decryption. Consequently, this key must remain secure and never be disclosed to anyone except the intended party. You want to send someone an encrypted message with an symmetric encryption, then that party needs to have the key. For asymmetric encryption is a method that uses two different keys, a public key for encryption and then a private one for decryption. Answer the questions below. Should you trust DES? Nay. When was AES adopted as an encryption standard? AES was adopted as a standard in 2001.